Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be checking out the 4th RAF £2 coin in a series of 5. Now what we have is the Sea King, and I have it in brilliant uncirculated condition. This is how it arrives if you buy it from either the Royal Mint website or this particular version from the Westminster collection website. It comes in the classic Royal Mint hang bag. So without further ado, I'm going to open this up and show you everything inside so that you never need to open yours, but you can see everything that's going on, all the information that you get. So there we are, that's with the packaging taken off, and that is the front of the coin packaging. And then that's the back, which we'll come back onto in a second and have a look at the specifications. But as usual, I'm just going to open it up and leave each page on there long enough so that you can pause it and have a read of this at your own pace. So like I said, this is the Sea King. I think it is a stunning coin, but still, I think that the best one in the series so far is the Vulcan. I'm still looking forward to the last coin, which is now out to buy. So look forward to that video in the next couple of weeks. There we go, a little bit on the designers. And then a little bit of information there on the Sea King. And background to the back and front. So we'll quickly have a look at this little bit of information by here. So you can pause that and read there. And we'll get on to the coin specifications before looking at the coin itself. So the denomination is £2. The inner alloy is copper nickel. The outer alloy is nickel brass. The weight is 12 grams. Diameter 28.40 millimeters. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. The obverse designer is Jody Clark. And the reverse designers are Richard Talbot and Neil Talbot. So let's check out this coin. We'll have a look first at the reverse of the coin. Absolutely stunning finish on that, and a great design, but still I think the Vulcan takes it at the moment. So there we go, just make sure I get that properly in the light there, just so you can see all of the details on that coin. Absolutely beautiful. And now let's have a look at the obverse of the coin. So there we go, just make sure I get that and just how shiny it is. Yeah. That is absolutely stunning. Again, in brilliant uncirculated condition. So let me know in the comment section below what you think of this coin. Have you got it? Have you bought any of the other versions? Maybe you got the silver proof? But let me know because that always interests me. But please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.